Creation is the combination of innovation and love, inspired by what we seek to learn, the things we dream for, and a necessity for discovery. And with the Artist D 3D printer, you can create it all. The Artist D 3D printer features a unique, independent dual extruder with 4 different modes. The 3D Artist structure can print 2 different materials or 2 different colors on the same model. This supports greater access to creativity, innovation in creation, and unique forms never before possible. The Artist D assembles quickly and easily, with clean, drip-free operation during your build. Our high-class, gap-free feeding system makes the feeding and retracting process exceptionally smooth. With an expertly designed, shortened distance between the tube and nozzle throat to prevent clogging during extrusion. The workspace accommodates projects of a large size. The strong metal base supports a finely accurate industrial-grade linear rail slider and a 32-bit stepping driver chip for silent operations. A flexible and strong steel sheet magnetic suction mat plate that holds firmly during the build but releases the final model cleanly. And the build process is fail-free. The Artist D supports highly modularized open-source software, SmoothieWare, so it's easy to create, but open to modifications as your build complexity grows. Plus, it disassembles quickly and cleanly, is easy for anyone to maintain, and comes with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. So when you have ideas to create, product to manufacture, or simply want a new way to learn, Artist D is here to provide a world only limited by your imagination. 3D print your life with Artist D.